Rhymes World! Let's learn ABC with fun!
A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for drum with a dancing beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who loves to play. G is for guitar, we strum all day. H is for hat, we wear our way.
I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jelly, oh so nice.
Yummy.
K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a loud roar cry.
M is for moon shining bright at night. N is for nest tucked in tight. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda climbing a tree. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for robot dancing around. S is for sunlight in the sky. T is for train rolling by. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van on country lanes. W is for whale singing in blue. X is for sorrow playing for you.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra in the town. Clap and cheer, you know them all. The ABCs are a learning ball.
One little sun up in the sky, shining bright and way up high. Two little birds begin to sing. Flap, 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 they spread their wings. Three green frogs go ribbit, ribbit, hopping fast, oh can you skip it? Four red flowers start to grow, swaying gently to and fro. Five white clouds that drift and play, floating softly all the day. Six small bees go buzz, 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 making honey, that's what they does. Seven bright stars start to shine, twinkle, twinkle, all in line. Eight cute ducks go quack, 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 swimming fast and coming back. Nine round balloons in the air, flying high without a care. 10 happy kids all clap and cheer. Count again, let's do it here. Here comes Circle rolling in, round and happy with a grin. No sharp edges, no straight line. Circle shape is mighty fine. Marching strong is Mr. Square. Four same sides, neat and fair. Blocks and windows looking right. Square's the shape with balanced might. Now it's triangle, count to three. Sides and corners, 1, 2, 3. Pizza slice and roof so high. Triangle points to the sky. Rectangle comes with strides so wide. Two short ends and long one side. It's your door and tablet screen. Tall or flat, it's always seen. Wobble, in comes ovals dance, like an egg or mirror glance. Stretched out round with grace and fun. Oval shines in every run. Star twinkles in with sparkly beams, shining bright in sleepy dreams. Five bold points that dazzle far, glow and giggle, that's a star. Now all shapes come out to play, learning fun in every way. Draw and count and trace each line. Shapes are smart and shapes are